Hi, we are Compilo and this video is regarding the interview questions of data warehouse. What are the main approaches which can be used for designing any data warehouse? So we can use two popular ways. First is Inmon approach and second is Kimball approach. What are the advantages of Kimball approach? Data warehouses based on this approach can be set up quickly. This approach is cost effective because planning is required only for the data warehouse. In this approach, the integration of data is required to be focused on unique business areas. What is ODS? That is Operational Data Store. From page 79 onwards of the book Corporate Information Factory, written by W.H. Inman, Claudia Imhoff, and Ryan Sosa, ODS or Operational Data Store has been described as subject-oriented, integrated, volatile, current valued data store. We can consider an ODS as a way to deal with the disadvantage of data warehouses that it does not contains up-to-date data. Basically, we can say that ODS is a staging area which provides us with the additional facility to query the data. How to load time dimension in data warehouse. Date and time dimension tables play a significant role in data warehousing activities. We need to load them separately to have one row for each day. Similarly, we can have a row level granularity for time periods. We can use any program or function which can add all the possible dates in a specific time frame. What is a cube in data warehouse? Cube is a data structure or data processing unit made up of facts or measures and dimensions to categorize facts, intended for quick data analysis. Cubes help us in storing and querying data in a multi-dimensional way. We can store a cube on an analysis server and use them as linked cube in other analysis servers by connecting them using TCP or IP or HTTP. We also have a concept of virtual cubes, which combine two or more real cubes and do not require a physical memory. They are just like views in RDBMS. Data warehouses use OLAP, which are divided into one or more cubes. These cubes are designed to make creating and viewing reports easy, and sometimes we refer OLAP cubes as hypercube. So these were quite a few interview questions. I hope you have understood them, and in case you encounter any of them, you can answer them easily. Thank you.